So over here you can see that I have opened up GIMP, and let's say what I want to do is I want to utilize templates right here. But one of the ways that you can use templates is directly from the work area. And to access out the templates in the work area, you need to go to Windows right here. Then you need to go around over here on to dockable dialogues, and then over here one of the options that you see is templates. So once you go around and do that, over here on the right hand side you can see the templates right here. So you can go around, and let's say for example you see a 4 size paper right here, double click right here on the particular icon and the template actually pops up right here. Similarly, if I were to go around and scroll down, here you can see that there are different templates over here just like this. So you can simply go around over here and select out, let's say for example this like SD resolution right here, just like this, full SD, double click and it opens up the full SD resolution, Samsung Galaxy S5 and then Apple iPhone 5 right here, and there's 4K USD, and these are the templates that are opened up as you can see right here. So you can see that they're arranged up into tabs and you can go around and access them out just like that. And that is how you can utilize templates directly from the work area by utilizing the templates dialog inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.